My practice and the type of clients I represent is relatively diverse, but focuses on financial services. I have a number of years experience representing reinsurers and insurers, and from that it has grown into a practice where I represent both those in the reinsurance industry as well as banking clients from a regulatory and dispute resolution perspective and the broader financial services industry. I regularly have clients come to me whenever they have complex business issues, particularly in an insolvency or a regulatory context. I handle commutations, I handle disputes with receivers, both receivers of banks and receivers of insurance companies, as well as general commercial disputes. I was very fortunate. I came on the scene and first started practicing around the time of great upheaval and change in the reinsurance and insurance industry. Most notably, some of the investigations that were launched and going on under then Attorney General Eliot Spitzer, as well as others. From that, I began representing going concerns as they interacted with insolvent insurance companies, a number of reinsurers, and there's a natural synergy between that body of law that regulates insurance companies and banks. They both operate in a highly regulated field and need expert advice whenever there's an insolvency or a regulator who comes into the scene and wants to engage in some sort of regulatory action. You have to respect your client, you have to believe in their cause, and that's part of our job as an attorney, is to get to know your client, ask those questions, figure out why their business is likable or why they as a person have a compelling story. One gentleman that comes to mind, tried a case on his behalf, and he was a owner of a family business, third generation that had been running the business, and it was one of those whenever I was able to step up and tell the jury his story. In the opening statements, I was able to say what an honor it was to represent him as well, and there was a moment there where you connect with people, where you have to have passion about who you represent and what you do, and if you don't, that's not going to be conveyed well to others to carry your client's cause.